About India's incurable obsession with Pakistan. The government of India is urged to eschew the use of false propaganda as an instrument of Indian state policy. By now, India must have realized that such ploys of spreading misinformation are doomed to fail, as they have failed in the past. By spreading such falsehoods, India can neither cast a shadow on the international stature of Pakistan, nor can it divert the attention of the international community from India's horrendous human rights record. We urge the international community aimed at defaming Pakistan, but also politicizing international forums and imperiling regional peace and security. Now, coming to the situation in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, the people of IIOJK are continuously subjected to a brutal military siege and inhuman restrictions for 507 days since India's illegal and inhuman actions of 5th August 2019. In a brazen manifestation of the state terrorism, the Indian occupation forces martyred an innocent Kashmiri, Zahir Abbas Lone, father of 2 kids, in so-called cordon and search operation in Islamabad town in IIOJK. Pakistan strongly condemns unabated Indian state terrorism and extrajudicial killing of innocent Kashmiris. The indigenous resistance movement of the Kashmiris for their inalienable right to self-determination, as enshrined in the relevant UN Security Council resolutions, will only become stronger in the face of Indian state terrorism and oppression. Pakistan calls upon the international community, including the United Nations, international human rights organizations, and the global media, to take immediate cognizance of the aggravating situation in IIOJK. I wish to reiterate here that in attempts to divert attention from its internal failings and grave human rights violations in IIOJK, India continues to escalate tensions along the line of control. This year alone, India has committed 3,012 ceasefire violations to date, resulting in 28 shahadas and serious injuries to 253 innocent civilians, including women and children. The deliberate targeting of civilian populated areas and continued escalation of tensions along the line of control is a patent Indian ploy to create a reckless pretext for conducting a military misadventure against Pakistan. Prime Minister Imran Khan has once again made it absolutely clear that if India were to be reckless enough to undertake any misadventure against Pakistan, it would confront a strong Pakistani national resolve and be given a befitting response at all levels of the threat. Pakistan urges the international community once again to advise India against any irresponsible act and to desist from any action that would jeopardize regional peace and stability. And in the end, let me once again recall that despite our repeated calls, the government of India has failed to provide a satisfactory response with regard to the death of 11 Pakistani Hindus who died in Jodhpur, India on the 9th of August under mysterious circumstances. The information shared by India in the case so far is scant, patchy, and unsatisfactory. In its recent communication, the government of India has again avoided answering the key questions in the case. India has not explained.
तर्जुमान दफ्तर खारजा जाहिद हफीज चौधरी न्यूज़ ब्रीफिंग दे